Welcome to the risk event for the week starting Monday, the 21st of August. We're off now to our South African newsroom and joining Warren Venketas, who is with us with an update on his thoughts for next week and a risk event to watch out for. Warren.
Hi, Jeremy, and thanks for having me. So the risk event I'll be focused on for next week centers around the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. That kicks off on the 24th of August and runs all the way through to the 26th of August. I'll be focusing on the US dollar and more specifically the dollar index. But just a bit of background heading into the Jackson Hole Symposium around the US economy. We've seen moderating inflation. However, this isn't coming down quick enough for many Fed officials, and it's quite a bit off their 2% target level. In conjunction with this, we do have a very robust labor market in the US, and that's just been reiterated recently by the jobless claims data, which really doesn't show any weakness or cracks in the US jobs market. If we look at the implied Fed funds futures, which gives us probabilities of the interest rate cycle moving forward, we've seen a drastic change over the recent months. Just recently, a few months ago, money markets were expecting a rate cut in September of this year. And since then, that's been pushed forward to roughly May or June of 2024. So markets are sort of buying into a higher for longer theme. So what is the risk around the Jackson Hole Symposium? The risk is a dovish message from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and that could really weigh negatively on the US dollar. So if we look at some technicals, I have the daily dollar index chart on screen, and we can see the support the dollar's received since mid-July up until the present point. Currently, the dollar index is trading at quite a key inflection point around the 200-day moving average we have in blue, as well as that 103.60 swing high. While the RSI is nearing overbought levels, there is still room for further upside, and we could see that between now and next week, Thursday, that could take the dollar index up to 104. But I think bulls in particular will be quite hesitant around that 104 level. Historically, we've seen a lot of volatility around Jackson Hole, so they may look to pare back their position sizes at 104, and that could provide a pullback down towards a 103.60 once more. And if we do get that dovish message from the Fed or more accommodative monetary policy, I think we could see the Dixie down towards that 102.50 mark, perhaps. So a lot to look forward to next week, a lot of moving parts. And I'll be definitely looking forward to the Jackson Hole Symposium next week.
Warren, thanks so much indeed. Warren Venketas there in our South African newsroom with a look at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 21st of August.